Pity is very bad. I destroyed every bacterium in this world. All the sicknesses are now mere needlessness. Now you can see how I dance one of 108 dances not to be seen on YouTube almost. Ni na ni, jada mada, porque que amita ni, jada mada, porque tanika. I could send up and upload some sword dancing if I got a good camera that I can't stand only on the ground. Maybe if I had someone to film with a good camera and I would be dancing, you would see that with an angel armor as well on the bar counter. It's the most beautiful you've ever seen. I'm the god of dance by. Durge Jay Jay Maa, Tanzschlaf. Durge Jay Jay Maa, Tanzschlaf. I'm getting better, but I'm finished with destroying. Almost. Just God is left. Thanks to you guys. I did nothing. Just some little formals and killing 2 million in my head. I had nothing. If you want to know why this world exists, it's because they had to defend non-existent aliens. And I think it was part of, like, kind of my plan. And I think it was kind of part of my plan with that alien destruction, but I'm not sure. Could be a therapy like this war, they tell me. I'm gonna live in New Swan's time with Parvati, with Shakti, where we have some dragons, mutual childs of us. We both invented them, we were able to. Now you know something new. I'm getting better looking. You ain't seen nothing yet. I guess. I'm not totally sure. I only saw myself twice in the mirror looking like what I do normally the day, and then it was like it. I'm not always perfect. Nobody's perfect, that's what I learned. But how can you change your form? It's changing your habits. Good news is it resolves pretty fast, immediately, always. And sometimes not. That's where you always end up. Like, no, 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 and die. Even into death, you follow your instincts. Millions of years of it trained. And it was good because I'm there and the CIA and God, maybe, of sorts, that sting. Hey, that's a funny thing I found out by myself some days ago. Like, boredom is the sting of evil, and I have the sting of good. So you can never get bored with me, and you don't get dumb watching me as the new TV. Uh, I'm sorry. Okay, that's it for now. Welcome to Shiva. Many others I am. In every religion, one or two.